the Hamble River Sailing Club race control team as they prepare to start race 2 for the Farr 45 class.
Oh, Rob said we saw that blue flag up.
5, 4, 3, well, we survived it. 1, foxtrot removed, 2, 1.
Staying very still.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There is 12 knots of breeze from the east and the last of the flood tide is pushing the boats up towards the start line.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hamble River Sailing Club's PRO, Jamie Wilkinson, set a course on the eastern end of the Bramble Bank, with the leeward gate at East Knoll just 2 cables astern of the committee boat, an ideal platform for photography and video. The day's racing comprised 4 races over windward leeward courses, with 1.3 miles separating the windward and the leeward marks.
Oh, right. Garmin man as well.
The day's racing forms part of the overall Garmin-sponsored Hamble Winter Series, with today's race being supported by the Bugle Public House on Hamble Quay. See you there for a drink after racing. On the water, the day's honours went to the Farr 45 Ran, who recorded 3 straight victories before dropping to a mid-fleet position in the final race.